Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade pan pizza dough. If you like that thick, chewy, and crispy pizza crust, you're going to love this recipe. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first you guys need to plan to make this dough at least 24 hours in advance of when you want to make the pizza because it has to rest at room temperature for 24 hours. Letting the dough rise at room temperature for 24 hours is important for the best flavor. That's because this slow rise allows the yeast to slowly ferment, creating a tangy and complex flavor. So go ahead and grab a large mixing bowl. So it's always best to weigh ingredients for the best results. So first we're going to add in our bread flour. Then our all-purpose flour. Then 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and then 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. And now it's super important that we're using lukewarm water and not hot water here, guys. If your water is too hot, it can actually kill yeast and that'll cause your dough not to rise. So now we're just going to mix this together with our hands until we have a shaggy dough. So then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise at room temperature for 24 hours. If you guys aren't going to bake the pizza at that time, or you're making a smaller one and you're only using part of it, then you can store remaining dough in the fridge for up to 7 days. So once we let our dough rest at room temperature for 24 hours, then it's time to preheat our oven to 500 degrees. So I'm using my Caraway cast iron skillet today. This is one of my favorite non-toxic cast iron skillets. I'm going to link it in the description for you guys. So now we're just going to give our skillet a little bit of olive oil. So now we're going to transfer our dough to the cast iron skillet. Use your hands and press the dough into the skillet. So once the dough is pressed in our skillet, now it's just time to add our marinara sauce, our cheese, and whatever kind of pizza toppings you like. Then we're going to add our mozzarella. And one of my favorite tricks for pizza is I use summer sausage in place of pepperoni. I can always find organic summer sausage, but you can't always get organic pepperoni, and it works so good and it's so delicious. Now it's time to bake the pizza at 500 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown. So once our pizza comes out of the oven, then I just like to top it with some fresh Parmesan and basil. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.